The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today we are now on the 26th Sunday in Ordinary Time. And in our Gospel, it will be coming from St. Mark chapter 9, verses 35 to 43, verse 45 and 47 to 48. In our Gospel, John told Jesus, "Lord, we have seen someone using your name in casting out demon." Then Jesus said, "Why did you do that? Anyone who is not against us is for us." My dear brothers and sisters, how many times we have seen brothers and sisters in other Christian denominations doing public proclamation in the market, in the public transport, and in everywhere we can find them. At first, to be honest, I was quite in a way, negative on them. But now I realize, why would I consider them as my nemesis? Where in fact, Jesus said, anyone who is not against us is for us. I remember one time I was riding a public transport and a lady was there. And I gave in by listening to her. She was talking about love, forgiveness, and hope. And I was saying to myself, she was not telling anything against our faith, not even attacking our faith. And who knows, one of the passengers might just be needing to hear those words. And me as a priest was the primary responsibility, was just there sleeping. And she was there proclaiming the good news about God. My dear sisters and brothers, if there is one thing that we have to realize in our gospel is this: let us not make difficult the way to Jesus. And the gospel is telling all of us, anyone who in the goodness of their heart is following their conscience has the opportunity and the possibility of being saved through the grace of God. What is important right now is we have to see the goodness in every person. Of course, it is still important to be part of our Catholic faith. And that is non-negotiable, at least for us. Because we have the fullness of revelation in Jesus Christ. We have the fullness of grace in Jesus Christ. We have the surest way to the kingdom of heaven. However, if we have discovered the path to Jesus in our Catholic faith, will not make the most of these graces being freely given to us. We may say that those in other religion might go in the line first before us if they, in the goodness of their heart, even without knowing Jesus in our Catholic faith, are doing goodness, kindness, generosity. Well, I believe the Lord will show mercy upon them, and they also will deserve God's kingdom. Let us not find enemies among everyone. Rather, let us enlighten, let us live our faith and inspire them. Sometimes we need not to convert them. What we need is to inspire them and let them follow Jesus by how they were inspired by the way we lived our life as true Christians, as true apostles and followers of Jesus. God bless.